Hello, there's not another video out there like this, so I thought I would make it. I myself am a leather worker. Over the past 25 plus years, I've made well over 100 leather products, but what I also do is a leather restoration. Specifically when it comes to camera bags, you're generally dealing with, unless it's nylon, like a modern product, waxed canvas and leather. Now this is an antique leather product from 1963. If you buy yourself a leather bag, or have a waxed canvas piece. These are the products, and I've used well over 25 products, most of which I've rejected, most of which I've actually thrown away. These are the three products that I recommend for either leather or waxed canvas. It doesn't have to be an antique leather bag, just a modern leather bag for preservation and rejuvenation so that it actually holds together, it doesn't crack. By the way, this is an Ona bag, and the actual Martinex that they Martexin, excuse me, I was saying Martinex. The Martexin that they actually recommend is horrible. It's a horrible product. For wax canvas, this is called Auto Wax. It arrives looking like a bar of soap. You actually push it out of its wrapper. You rub it in. You can actually sit there and try to rub it in with your hands, but actually after you apply it to your bag, what you do is you take a hairdryer, heat it up, and then rub it in. Bring the hairdryer back, heat it up, and reapply until you've gotten the entire bag. Now this one is completely sealed. Water actually falls off of it like a duck's back now. And I've tried at least 6 different products for resealing waxed canvas. You think, well, it's just waxed canvas, right? You would think that, but nothing comes close to the ease of use, of speed of application, and how good the product is as Auto Wax. They also sell it on eBay. I think a bar of it is like 12 bucks, and one bar will let you do 2 medium-sized bags. Here we go. For leather restoration and rejuvenation, 2 products that are absolutely incredible. I've done a lot of leather work and a lot of restoration. This bag looked like hell warmed over. And now it is soft and supple. It's, what is it? It's 58 some years old now. Awesome bag. If you get an older leather product, there's absolutely nothing better than Dr. Jackson's Hide Rejuvenator. You do not apply this stuff by hand, however you could. It's actually rather soft. You'll take an old towel, you dip it in, grab some, and actually smear it into the leather. If depends on how dehydrated the leather is. What you do is you'll put in an application, wait like 3 days, stick in another application. If it was really dry like this one, we're talking really dry, would have been abandoned in someone's basement for 30 years. You need 3 applications. Now this stuff is absolutely amazing. It smells like heaven. It's actually made out of tree resins used by bees, propolis, tree resins. It smells kind of with a slight hint of honey. You do apply this by hand. It is a semi-hard, waxy feeling substance. However, it melts immediately under the temperature of your skin. And I'll actually apply some here. You actually apply this. Now the sheen will go away after several hours depending on how saturated the product is. I don't recommend this for pure rejuvenation of a very dry piece. That is what this is for. You can get this on eBay for $12 or $13. One of these will actually let you restore 2 bags. It's amazing. You can take a really horrible looking old bag and bring it back to life. Like I said, right now I'm using the Obenhofs. This is the, I think this has like 600 reviews on Amazon, all 5 stars. I found this some time ago. It's absolutely amazing. It smells amazing. It actually protects your leather product. It preserves it, waterproofs it. It does actually rehydrate the bag, but not like the not like the Dr. Jackson's material. This does rehydrate, but its main purpose is to protect it against mold, mildew, and rain. So this is, if I was trying to think of a perfect analogy. If this is painting your car, so to say, and rejuvenating your leather product, this would be the final sealer. This sheen, like I said, will go away after a few hours or days. It doesn't really darken the product at all. The Dr. Jackson stuff will, if your bag is really dry. If your camera bag is really dry, or your leather product it will darken it by about 30%. But all it's doing is bringing it back to its original color grade that it was before some idiot let it completely dry out. I mean, it is a skin, so these are the three products. Auto Wax for waxed canvas, absolutely nothing finer. Dr. Jackson's Hide Rejuvenator for dried out or even slightly dry leather products. And for protectant, and also protecting against mold, mildew, and bacteria. And as a water protectant, this stuff is absolutely pure gold. You can also get this off of eBay or Amazon. Here it is, Obenhoff's Heavy Duty LP. Highly recommend all three of these. Like I said, I've used dozens of products, literally, and I am a leather worker, and I found nothing comes close to these three products. Absolutely nothing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I could help, because there are a lot of products out there that you could actually stick on your bag, whether it be wax canvas or leather, and you don't know whether it's going to affect it or cause the collagen to break loose and end up ruining your product. And you can trust these. These are what master leather craftsmen and restorers use, Dr. Jackson's Hide Rejuvenator, and also to the Obenhoff's LP Heavy Duty. Stuff smells heavenly. None of these products smell bad either, by the way, which is also important. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.